Hi, I'm Sono. I'm a developer from UCC. UCC stands for United Crypto Community, and we are a German-based community interested in crypto. At UCC, we are also working on a little project, trying to get to know the many different blockchains out there. Our current project is an idle game where you can mint NFTs. For this project, we chose the WEX blockchain. The WEX blockchain is very great when working with NFTs since the transactions are very cheap and there are several platforms that can help you generate NFTs, packs, pack drops, etc. Especially Atomic Hub for creating NFTs and Nifty Blocks, a great platform for making pack drops in general, and much more. So we took an open source idle game, a Bitcoin clicker. The Bitcoin clicker is, similar to the cookie clicker that you might be familiar with. Instead of cookies, we have Bitcoins that you can click yourself. So you can click and generate Bitcoins. From those generated Bitcoins, you can purchase items and they can automatically mine you more Bitcoins. So we took this concept and try to make NFTs out of the items. So instead of just purchasing items which have itself no value, we turn them into NFTs. So we can try working with NFTs and get a feeling of how they work, what are the possibilities, and what we can do with them, how we can work with them. So we chose a simple project, like an idle game. So we have this idle game here, and with tools such as Atomic Hub and Nifty Blocks, we are making a connection from this website to the WEX blockchain, where you can then mint the Bitcoins, and when you would normally purchase an item for the Bitcoins, you will purchase an NFT. So we can make the NFTs more valuable since we can add scarcity to the items. And more expensive items can be much more rare or rarer. And we can distribute the items through pack drops, which will be interesting later on. Because we've had other projects in the past, and what we're trying to do is promote the other projects, or we are trying to support those who supported us from the start. So those community members who were from the start with us, who gave us feedback, support, etc. We are trying to reward them and continue integrating past projects into new ones. Because we had a project called Freibier token. It is a super fast distributing token where you are sending a specific amount of Freibier token to a different wallet. While doing so, you get yourself twice as much Freibier than you had before. So for example, you have 10 Freibier tokens and you're sending your friend 10 Freibier tokens. He will receive 10 and you will receive then 20. So after the transaction, you have 20 Freibier and your friend has 10. It is a simple token, but we wanted to reward those who used Freibier. But before we decided that we wanted to make the Bitcoin clicker connected to the Wax blockchain, we implemented the Freibier token with Solidity and deployed the contract, the smart contracts, onto the Binance Smart Chain. So we had the issue trying to reward users on the Binance Smart Chain with the Wax blockchain. Or in different terms, we wanted a verification for specific Wax wallets that they have a Binance Smart Chain wallet with Freibier, and then we can whitelist them in a whitelisted pack drop, and they will receive the pack. Yes. For this problem, I implemented another smart contract. I used Remix to try it and test it out. I called it the Wax Wallet Collector, since before we planned implementing the Wax Bitcoin clicker, I had not thought about implementing a different mechanism where we can get information from users who have Freibier, since we want those addresses and somehow reward them on a different blockchain. With the Wax Wallet Collector, we kind of solved the problem. What we did is a simple mapping from Binance Smart Chain addresses to Wax Wallet addresses, with the requirement to have some amount of Freibier, but more than 0. So if you have Freibier, you are verified for storing your Wax wallet address in the Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain, yes. To make this simpler for the user shouldn't do anything. So as a player, you play this game, you log in with your Wax Cloud wallet and with a compatible wallet that connects to the Binance Smart Chain, such as the Binance Smart Chain wallet, or you could use MetaMask. I use MetaMask. It's good, and the website makes the transaction for you. So you log in with your 2 wallets, and the website makes the connection, sends a transaction to the smart contract, verifying if you have Freibier, and then being whitelisted for the pack drop. I think that was everything. For detailed information about the code, you are happy to visit our repository on GitHub. But from now on, I'm finished. Thank you for your attention, and I will hear you later.